In this video, I will show you step by step how you can use custom timeframes on Metatrader 5. So on the top bar here, right, what you will notice is that there is timeframes. So we've got M1, M5, M15, M30, and so on and so forth, which are the most common timeframes that you'll see on most platforms. But for example, if you have taken or you want to take a trade on the 3-minute chart, and you don't see this up here, what we can do is we can go to the chart, right? We can then right click, and then if we go down, you will then see an option for timeframes. Again, you will see all of the common ones here. What we need to do is we need to go down to minutes, for example, and then you can go down and you can choose from 1 minute all the way up to 30 minutes. So for example, if I want to go to the 3-minute chart, I will click on 3 minutes, and then that will then change that to the 3-minute chart. And as you can see, this is currently trading on the 3-minute. So again, if you want to go to, let's just say we go to timeframes and you want to go to the 2-hour chart, click on the 2-hourly chart. And then what you will notice is that this is the 2-hour chart. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can use custom timeframes on Metatrader 5.